Hello friends, this is Vishal Tyagi. Welcome to our channel Blogging Giant. In this video, we will discuss how to optimize your content for SEO through SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant tool. For getting full access of SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant tool, you have to need SEMrush tool. So click the link in the description box and get 7 days free trial of SEMrush Groupland and use SEMrush Content Marketing Toolkit for free for 7 days. For finding the SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant, go to the left side of the SEMrush dashboard and click on Content Marketing Toolkit, and you will find SEO Writing Assistant tool. Click on SEO Writing Assistant and you will find the SEO Writing Assistant tool. For getting the best recommendation for your blog, click on Get Recommendations and you will find two sections. Quick Checker. Here set the targeted keywords for best SEO recommendations. Copy your content and paste in Quick Checker with title and put your targeted keywords here. So we will put our targeted keywords here. After putting the targeted keywords, choose your target audience with country, region, with country, select the region and the city, and here you can select your language. We will put our language English, and you can select your device size, desktop and phone. So we will take our device size desktop and click on Get Recommendations. It will take some time to prepare your recommendations, so wait for some time and see your preparing recommendations by SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant. Here you will get the recommendation based on the SEO, readability, originality and tone of voice. It will give you the SEO readability suggestions for your blog post. So click on readability. In readability, you will get readability score, words, reading time with title and content issues. In SEO, it will give you the keyword suggestions with targeted keywords and show you the recommended keywords you can use in your content and with alt attribute and link issues. In originality, it will tell you how original is your content. In tone of voice, it will show you the content writing tone in the form of casual, neutral and formal. It shows the casual sentences also. It will show you the consistency score of your content. So apply these recommendations in your content and make your content SEO friendly. If you don't want to use SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant tool, and if you want to use this tool for free for Google Docs, for getting suggestion in Google Docs, click on Get add-on for Google Docs and install this extension. Click on Continue and here you have to sign in with your Gmail ID. Click on your Gmail ID and click on Allow, and it will install the SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant in your Google Docs. So go to Google Docs, click on Add-ons. Here you will see SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant. Click on Show. Here you have to log in a SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant with your SEMrush account. So we have login our Gmail. We have login our content with our SEMrush account. So here you will get score on the basis of readability, SEO, originality and tone of voice. In readability, you will get the readability score, words and reading time with title issues and content issues. In SEO, you will get the targeted keywords recommendation and recommended keywords. You can use these keywords in your content. For best SEO optimization, you can find alt attribute and link issues and title issues in your content. And in originality, you will find how original is your content, and in tone of voice, it will show you what is the tone of voice of your content. It is casual, neutral or formal. And show the consistency score of your content with most casual sentences. So it is the complete guide for Google Docs. If you want to use SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant in WordPress, go to dashboard and activate the SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant plugin in your WordPress admin dashboard. We will show you the SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant plugin. We have installed SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant plugin to show you how to optimize your content through SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant tool in WordPress admin dashboard. So here we will show you the SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant plugin. In plugins you can easily install SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant plugin. Go to add new and search SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant. We have installed this plugin. So if you haven't installed this plugin, you will see install now option. Click on install now and activate this plugin. So we will go to our post section, click on all posts and open your post which you want to optimize for the best SEO recommendation. Click on edit. Go to the bottom section of your WordPress blog post. Here you will see SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant tool. Click on login and you have to log in here. So for authentication, click on approve and here you will log in. So it will give you the score basis on the readability, SEO and originality and tone of voice. In readability, it will give you the readability score with words and reading time, and it also shows the title issues and content issues present in your content. After this, it will give you the SEO suggestions. Here show you the targeted keywords for your content, and it will also show the recommended keywords. You can use these keywords in your content and with attribute issues, link issues and with title issues. In originality, it will show how much your content is original, and in tone of voice, you will get content tone in the form of casual, neutral and formal. And it also shows the consistency score of your content with most casual sentences. So this is the SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant tool. You can use this tool for your WordPress dashboard. You can also find the best SEO recommendation for your blog post. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you are watching this video on Facebook, then please follow our Facebook page and press the bell icon. If you have any questions regarding SEMrush SEO Writing Assistant, please let us know in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video.